Okay, so how to practice Lolasana? You have to sit like me. आपको मेरी तरह बैठना होगा, right? And then try to keep your hands outside. Clear, everyone? Just beside the foot. Now left and right side I have placed my arm. Now I have to keep my breath proper and normal. Inhale. Then after that I will lift to my legs, knees properly, everyone. And down. So proper engagement of the chest muscles and deltoid, basically this area, and back area, that helps me to lift my body and wrist. So practice this posture, everyone, and check whether you are able to do or not. Okay, if not, then write in comment box yes. So let's start, everyone. Right, or everyone, chalo start karo.